You got the big ball? You found your sister's ball? Yeah. You're like, yeah, Dad, it's the bestest. Boop. You gonna go get it? Play kickball with Daddy. Oh, it's going the other way. Uh-oh. You gonna turn around? Are you stuck? Well, you're tripping on my toes. All right. You gonna go get it. Get that ball. Yeah, Dad, I do everything. It's gonna be amazing. Yeah, you got the big ball. You're doing amazing. Now the puppy's like, hey, you keep saying the word ball. We want the ball. Luna and Loki, we're like checking it out. We're still working on that walking. You're doing good, man. You're doing great. I'm out of here. I'm gonna go get this basketball over here. It's even heavier than the other one, man. Are you just going around and getting all the balls on the patio? I can almost reach it. Oh, you can reach the net. Good job. Yeah, you can go back to the basketball. Where does that guy go? Where does he go? It's a little deflated because it's been really cold. Instead of like 60, it's been like 25, 30. Who would have thought in Florida? All right, we're going to make a basket. You ready? Are you ready? Oh no, the ball's too big. The ball is too big. The ball's too big for the net. We should probably take the net out. You're like, take it out, Daddy. I want the ball. There you go. Yeah. You want to do it again? All right, you ready? Daddy's going to help you. Don't worry. All right. Here we go. You ready? Good job! You made another one. Good job. All right, you want the ball again? There you go. You gonna do it? You gonna go for another shot? You did it again! Yeah! You're so excited you made another basket. Even though it's like so much taller than you. Alright. There's the ball. You got this. You got this walking thing down, man. You're still learning. You did it! I'd grab it, but you still have it. Dad, I'm done playing some ball. I'm just going to put it right here. I'm going to crawl in your seat. It's going to crawl in this gravity chair. Just do your own thing, right? Yep. Just going to relax right here. Take a shoe off by accident. Probably take this sock off. Yep. Just sit here with this basketball, chill in the sun. Is this the best life ever? Yeah, after I get the sock off, Dad. That's what I'm gonna do. All right, you wanna say bye-bye? Nope. I'm just gonna focus on my shoe, Dad. You're gonna help me put it on in the next couple minutes, 30 seconds. Okay, all right, bye-bye.